Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Feel welcome. Yes, I'm cooking dinner for my family, and today I'm going to cook GITHERI. I'm going to cook GITHERI. That is a mixture of beans and maize. So this is it. I haven't mixed. We have carrot. We have onion. Have white onion. This is the bulb one. This is the green onion. Then you have different type of spices. Of course, we have our blended tomatoes. So you can see these are blended tomatoes. So yeah, that's all. And I will manage with this one. This is Irish potato. I'll just manage with this one.